The only other main issue was the suggestion that the entire Metro Manila will be put under a state of calamity. And this is because talaga hindi maganda ang flooding dito, ang nangyari dito sa Metro Manila. Especially in the traditional low-lying areas like Nabotas, like in Malabon, like in these are all these places that mababa talaga sa dagat yan, kahit lagi nababaha. Nasira pa yung flood control natin dahil binangga ng barko. Kaya halos lahat ng bayan ay nasa nakalubog sa tubig. So well, led by our DLD secretary, together with the Mayor Zamora, who is siyang namumuno ng buong Metro Manila Mayor, sila magpo-convince sila mamaya after this para makapag-decide kung talagang kailangan ba mag-state of calamity ang buong NCR.
Sir, hindi kayong mag-declare ng state of calamity?
No. We don't. Actually, usually, ang state of calamity is the LGU executive. Pag regional, it's because nagkasabay-sabay. Magiging calamity sa pagka 3 regions ang involved, then already the national has to come in. That's a national calamity already. Wala na kaming choice to pass on our national. But it's up to the local communities to decide because they know best. They know best what they need. It is also yung pag-declare ng state of calamity, it's also to access funds para makapag-access na sila ng funds. Kasi nauubos na yung kanilang emergency na reserve, upuha sila sa national. So that's what we're working on now.
Sir, hindi mo ba kailangan ng Calabarzon, Regis Street, and Metro Manila, NCR na tatlo na po yung
well, kaya nga, nasa sa kanila yan. Nasa sa kanila yan. It is up to them. That is very much a local prerogative.
Sir, how about the flood control project? Kumusta po yung situation?
I don't think we can really talk about that now. What we need to talk about is how to bring help to the people who are in trouble.
So you have